Okay, so this question says that a parallelogram has an area of 48 centimeters squared. If it is divided into two triangles by a diagonal, find the area of one triangle. Alright, so we can see from this question that there is a parallelogram. Can be a square, a rhombus, a rectangle, and there are others. So if the area of the parallelogram is 48 centimeters squared, I'll write that first. That is the data from the question. So area of parallelogram. That is given from the question as 48 centimeters squared. If I have a parallelogram like this, and you divide it into two equal parts by a diagonal, this is what we call a diagonal. If I draw a line from one point here across the shape to another point that is vertically opposite to the first line, this is a diagonal. So another one can be this. When you draw a diagonal in a rectangle, for instance, you are going to get two triangles, and these triangles are going to be the same in shape. They are congruent and their areas are the same. Whenever we divide a rectangle or a parallelogram into two equal parts, we get two triangles that have the same area, and each of the triangles will have the area being half of the area of the parallelogram, because you can see that this triangle here, it is half of this parallelogram. This triangle also is half of the parallelogram. This is where we derive the formula for the area of a triangle. So if I've been given the area of the parallelogram as 48 centimeters squared, from our deductions here, we can say that the area of one triangle, implies half of the area of the parallelogram. Then all that we have to do now is substitution, because we have already been given the area of the parallelogram, which is 48 centimeters squared. So I have half, and whenever you are solving mathematics and you see off, it means multiplication. So half of, or half times the area of the parallelogram. So half times 48 centimeters squared. If I have half of 48, I'm going to get 24 centimeters squared. So it means that one triangle will be 24 centimeters squared, and the two of them will give the area of the total parallelogram. So we say that therefore area of one triangle is 24 centimeters squared. And you can underline that nicely. So this is your solution.